Okay guys, this is week 2 update, day 16th, and I'm still alive, but I barely made it, I'm not kidding you. So this is footage, raw footage, straight from my phone to YouTube, and all I want to say is, one, the cairngorms almost get me, because it was raining all freaking day long and night, and so when I arrived at this ruins thing, from Blair at Hall to the ruin, Bayak, Bake, whatever, I was soaking wet to the bones, and I was scared for my life because it was cold, everything was wet, the tent was wet, the floor of the tent was completely wet. I used the sponge to wipe it, and there was this much of freaking water like this, like a big puddle in my freaking tent, even though I stepped on the freaking ground to make sure it wasn't swamp. Look, I'm just gonna cut it short. The Cairngorms, that's a new loch there, okay? Just put it this way, it's easier. If ever I said in the past there was a river path, okay, rename that as a stream path. The river path is what I found in the Cairngorm. Um, it's a loch there, period. All right, let's move on. I almost died there of hypothermia, but I managed. Doing certain stuff like boiling water, putting a sleeping bag in a bottle, drinking the hell out of coffee, putting a stew that my wife sent me, dehydrated food, and so on. I survived. I still need to process that, but I don't have time now. I have to keep going as always. Point number one. Point number two. The worst time in my life, in my hiking life, has been the Cairngorms. That day and the following day too. And the following day in the morning, because you wonder, why didn't you just continue and do like 50 kilometers, 60? Yeah, I would have done it, but I couldn't because the next section had at least three potentially dangerously, whatever, impassable river crossings. And it's true. The first one got me, literally. So, but I had planned my route through a rock in the middle where the current is strongest. And I held on for my freaking dear life on the rock. And I was surfing there. Like, there were two witnesses there, two bikers on the other side. And I'm worried about them because they wanted to cross with the bike. So I don't know if they managed or not. There was a escape route behind, but still, the river got me. I don't have grip in my shoes because of the freaking stupid canal section, fucking canal section. So I destroyed my shoes. I don't have grip. I've been struggling all the fucking time. I'm sorry for swearing. All the F word time because I don't have grip in my shoes because of the F word stupid canal section. So anyway, the river got me. I held onto the fucking rock for my dear life. I pushed with everything I had down. I regained control, and I made three more steps extremely. It was in extreme, these three next steps. And then, yeah, I started to feel the current being weaker. Still strong, but, weaker. And then I made myself out of the freaking river. So, yeah, two close calls in the very same area, literally like 200-meter radius area. Very extreme. And one thing, I'm getting now to Lagan, and I'll head to Fort Augustus, I think. You can check the stages of the Scottish National Trail in westhighlands.co.uk. If you live anywhere where I'm going to walk by, if you could let me do a freaking laundry in your place, I know maybe it's a long shot asking for this, but if I go to a hotel because of COVID, I cannot do a freaking laundry. So I think I'm becoming a bit stinky and smelly, and I don't like it, and I need to do a laundry. So it would be awesome if anyone that's living anywhere where I'm gonna go through could please let me do a freaking laundry. That's all I ask for. Laundry, dry my clothes. Off I go. Even if I just do the laundry, I don't care. I take a hotel and I dry the clothes in the hotel, but I can do the laundry. That would be fantastic. And thanks for watching. Bye. We're going strong here.